If you want to level up your meal prep game, consider buying some silicone ice cube trays. At first glance, there seems to be nothing fancy about them. But actually, there are lots of different ways you can use them creatively to make your meal prep easier. Let's start with beverages. You can freeze leftover smoothies and use these frozen smoothie cubes to add flavor to your drinks, porridges, or yogurts. Or you can make coffee ice cubes to add flavor to your protein shakes, or yogurts to add a hint of coffee flavor. Another benefit of using flavored ice cubes is that your drinks won't get watered down. Ice cube trays are also great for sauces, soups, and dips. For example, you can make a batch of fresh pesto or curry sauce, spoon into trays and freeze them. Then, when it's called for in a recipe, you can add them to sauces or stir-fries to add extra flavor. You can even use ice cube trays for common base ingredients that you need to use all the time, like chicken or vegetable stock. Because these take a long time to cook and it's difficult to just cook a small batch, so it makes sense to make a large batch and then store them for use later on. When you want to use them, simply drop an ice cube of frozen stock into the pan while you're cooking your sauces, risotto, or even plain rice or pasta dishes. This ice cube tray trick also works great for fruits. You can do the same thing with fresh lemon and lime juice. Or you can grab some canned pumpkin at the store, divide it into ice cube trays, and freeze. Drop a cube into your morning bowl of oatmeal before heating, or put a few into your morning smoothie. That way it will stay fresh longer, so you don't have to eat all things pumpkin in a single week. Or if you're following one of those dessert recipes like cookies or muffins in my recipe bundle, but you don't want to bake a large batch in one go, but it doesn't make sense to spend all the time and effort just to make a few of them, you can make a batch of cookie dough, put a few spoonfuls into the tray, and freeze. Then you can bake a few of them for a few days whenever you like. These tricks you can use with any ice cube trays, but the reason I suggest using silicone ice cube trays is that they're the easiest for removing your cubes smoothly. I also suggest using different sizes for different foods, because smaller cubes are ideal for things like sauces and smoothies, while larger cubes can be used to freeze mini portions of leftover soups and stews. Hope you found these tips useful. If you are looking for more meal prep recipes and ideas, head to helenwong.co.uk/stress-free cooking to check out the stress-free cooking bundle.